Majority of clients are with us 3 to 6 months. On average, National Credit Care averages about 20 points per month per bureau per person, with about 6 to 7 deletions. That's just an average. I've seen people get 150 points in a month. But does it happen for everyone? No. It's just our national average. So if you know that as going in at 20 points a month, say they need to get 60 points. They're probably going to be with us about 3.5 to 4 months, just to make sure that we get them enough points to where they're going to close that loan. We don't want someone to come up just a few points short because they got out too early. They do have that option, though, because what we have is no contracts, no obligations in our system.